In this episode, we're on day 5 of my diabetic journey. So if you're interested in seeing what came along today, you know what to do. Stick around. Good morning. This is day 5. And, or is it? Yeah, day 5. And I made it Monday through Friday. I made it 5 days, y'all, for this walking thing. So I'm going to share with you what I'm having for breakfast. I'm running a little late this morning, about maybe 10 minutes behind. So let me show you what I'm going to fix for breakfast, and then we'll come back when I'm walking. Okay, this morning I'm going to have some turkey sausage and avocado toast. That's it. Oh, and a glass of apple juice. That's what I'm cooking me this morning. Avocado toast and turkey sausage. So let me get to cooking and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, I didn't smush the avocado. I'll maybe do that tomorrow. I just don't have time. But I have the sausage and the avocado toast and the apple juice. So now I'm going to go eat my breakfast, and after that, we'll talk back when we go out to walk. Okay, I'm getting ready to start. A little late this morning, but I'm still doing it. Now, yesterday, I walked, so and then I went to the grocery store, and if anybody knows about the HEB up here, they're huge. So, and they're moving stuff around. So I ended up walking that store looking for the groceries I was getting, right? By the time I got to the cash register, your girl's feet were hurting. Too much walking in the wrong shoes. And my husband asked me what shoes that I wore when I went walking. So I showed him the shoes I had on. He shook his head at me and he said, I bought you some walking shoes a while back. He said they might have been ugly or too pink, whichever the case may be, but they are for walking. He said, try those shoes tomorrow and see how they go. Well, so far they're kind of comfortable. So, and yesterday I walked I want to say a mile and almost 2 yesterday, walking on my walk, and then the rest of the mile, the steps went in the store. So I'm doing pretty good. I'm gonna walk Monday through Friday, and Saturday I'm gonna get to sleep late. So I'm happy about that one. Because this morning I was sleeping kind of late, and for the reason why, wind is picking up. The reason why is my husband cut the TV on in the room about 5:30, and the light from the TV woke me up. And he was watching the news, trying to wake himself up because he had to leave about 6:45 or so, maybe 7, because he had a doctor's appointment at 8 in the Woodlands. And from where we live, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to get to the Woodlands. Excuse me, we stay in a Tascasita. So it takes us, about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on traffic, to get, I want to say, not quite in the Woodlands, but almost to the Woodlands. So, because my daughter stays almost to the Woodlands, and it takes her 45 minutes to an hour, depending on traffic, to get to her house to mine. Yes, my hair still looks jacked up. I'm going to do something about it, hopefully, this weekend. Mainly because it's so hot here. Yesterday, we got to 110. And today, they expect about 107. So, this weather here in Houston is disrespectful. Well, I've passed the marker for the first day. So I'm going to let you go, and I'll pick you up when I get home. Okay, I met my marker, the goal that I was trying to get to today. So I'm very happy for that. So I'm back home. I'm going to look at the steps and see how far I walked today. I'm really proud that I met a goal, one of my goals. The ultimate goal was to get to this certain street, and I did that today, and I'm proud of myself. So I'm going in, get some water, chill out for a minute, then and then finish out what I have on plan for what I have planned for today. So I'll see you later with lunch, hopefully. I'm going thrifting with my sister, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do lunch, but I know I can do dinner. So I'll see you later. Okay, I'm getting ready to cook dinner. Here are the items I'm going to use. I'm using ground chuck, salt, free tomato paste, some peppers, corn tortillas, little tomatoes, an avocado, salad mix, low sodium cheese. I think that's everything that I will be using. So let's get to work cooking dinner.
The pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. How much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings. complete delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, how much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
You can still have a nice tasting looking meal on a diabetic diet. You just have to watch what you include. Like everything I used was salt free or low sodium, so it was able for me to use in a diabetic meal. Now, I love vegetables and fruit, so with mine, I did add avocado to mine. And this place that I'm fixing here, this is my husband's plate. He does not like avocado. So on my salad, I included the avocado. So let me know what you think of my diabetic meal for dinner down below. And I'll see you in the next episode.